Why chemical-free cleaning is the smarter choice for your home. Keeping your home clean shouldn't come at the cost of your health or the environment. Unfortunately, many traditional cleaning products are filled with harsh chemicals that can do more harm than good. That's why chemical-free cleaning has become the preferred choice for families and businesses seeking a safer, healthier, and eco-friendly approach. The problem with traditional cleaners. Many conventional cleaning products rely on ingredients like ammonia, bleach, and synthetic fragrances. While they may make surfaces sparkle, these chemicals can irritate skin and eyes. Prolonged exposure can lead to redness, itching, or even burns. Trigger respiratory issues. Strong fumes may aggravate asthma or cause breathing difficulties. Harm the environment. Toxic residues can seep into water systems, harming plants, animals, and ecosystems. The chemical-free cleaning difference. Switching to chemical-free cleaning offers a range of benefits. Healthier living spaces. Chemical-free products are safe for children, pets, and people with allergies or sensitivities. You can breathe easier knowing your home is free from harmful toxins. Eco-friendly solutions. By avoiding harsh chemicals, you reduce pollution and waste. Many chemical-free cleaning agents are biodegradable and sustainable, making them better for the planet. Gentle yet effective cleaning. Natural cleaning products are tough on dirt, grime, and bacteria without damaging surfaces or leaving behind harmful residues. What sets our services apart? At ChemFreeCleaning Company LLC, we specialize in providing high-quality, chemical-free cleaning solutions that prioritize your health and the environment. Our products are made from plant-based, biodegradable ingredients, ensuring your home is spotless and safe. Whether it's your living room, kitchen, or office, we bring the power of nature to every cleaning job. Join the chemical-free cleaning movement. Choosing chemical-free cleaning is more than just a trend. It's a commitment to a healthier, greener future. Let's work together to create cleaner homes and a cleaner planet. Contact us today to learn more about our services and how we can help make your space shine naturally.